Good evening. We're going to play Christ Church Cathedral for you by Sheahan. We're going to play it in the key of G, where I think it sits a little bit better on a whistle. It can be played, of course, in D on a whistle, but it gets a little ouchy. I think it sits better in G. It has kind of a Christmas feel for me. It's not a Christmas tune, but on the other hand, it kind of has a little bit of that feeling for me anyway. So off we go. Play it nice and slow, very stately tune. Very simple tune, but boy, just I don't know, very uplifting. Just filled with all this joy. Sheahan of the Dubliners. Look him up on YouTube, and not just this tune, of course, but many others. So enjoy.